Guys, so I was scanning through this plant and I noticed this webbing all around this plant. This plant has been looking sick for a while, and then when I looked closely, I found more infestations of this webbing. So this webbing might look familiar, but it's actually a common house plant and vegetable pest known as the spider mite. One of the key symptoms of a spider mite infestation is the webbing. If you noticed here, there's a lot of webbing on this plant, but also a very notable symptom is a lot of scratching on the surface of the leaf. There's going to be a lot of yellowing, spotting, a lot of scratches, a lot of black dots that are actually the spider mites themselves. And they can range from a pretty minimal infestation to a very serious infestation. So, something to note about spider mites is just like spiders, they spread and disperse around a plant through their webbing. But what makes them different from spiders is that these feed on the plant, but also they produce a lot in a small window of time, and they're easily able to infest a plant in a matter of weeks should it not be controlled in time. So this guy right here, the infestation for this entire plant, there are two different plants here, probably started with this leaf in the back where no one can really see it. And it was the spider mites were producing here and were able to spread all around this entire plant. Luckily, we caught in time before it really spread. So great ways to control a spider mite infestation is by getting rid of the highly infested sources of spider mites. So in this case, it would be this leaf here. Getting rid of them and disposing them without contacting with other plants is a good way to control the spread, but also this damage here is pretty much irreversible. It's going to be very difficult to get rid of these mites, but the damage will still be notable even with the mites being eradicated from this leaf. So it's better to remove them and getting rid of those infestation and really investing more energy on the ones that are salvageable, like these leaves here. You can spray them with a hose with water and treat them with an organic insecticide and be more diligent and really scout your plant for any small signs of spider mites to really control them from infecting other plants today. I hope you learned something new today, and thanks for watching.